dig into the public records, some really interesting things come up. First, Everything Credit LLC is domiciled in Georgia. That's publicly available information in the Georgia Secretary of State Business Registry. Now, why does that matter? Hello, because Georgia has some of the strictest credit repair laws in the country. Let me read you Georgia Code 16959. It shall be unlawful for any person to operate a credit repair services business in the state. There are very narrow exceptions like nonprofit organizations, licensed attorneys, certain regulated entities. But operating for profit credit repair business in Georgia, that's essentially prohibited.